welcome to my channel. So today, pupunta tayo ng Lokban for magsisimba. Magsisimba tsaka aakyat dun sa cruise. So see you guys later. Dapat lang people! So nandito ko ngayon sa Lokban, Quezon, sa kamay ni Jesus. Ayan po. Ay, dinadayo po dito dahil ito ang Holy Land ng Lokban. Quezon po.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, you're piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Sige pa rin yung tao.
I can't forget the day we met. You look so fine in your red carpet. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
Meron dito nag-i-scan ng tao kung ilan yung dumadating. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ilan na yung dumating dito. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yon. Ayun, nagde-detect. Kailan niyo ba? So, meron ng 1,759. 1,759 na taong dumating kanina.
1,000.
Nabawasan na yun. Kasi madami ng...
Bakit yung pilaw? Dapat yung tao.
Ay, hawak ka nila, ano ah? Hawak ka nila.
Ay, nabili ka ba yung
Tatawid na kami. Ayan, nasa labas na kami na kamay ni Jesus. Hawak ko. Sabay-sabay tayong tumawid. So, tatawid na po kami. So, ayan o. Makikita mo dito yung pinakamasarap. Bilihan ng longganisa at ng ano ba yan? Habhab. Pansit habhab. Pinagkakaguluhan siya.
Longganisa.
At least, diba, nagkasya.
So, salamat.
So, hanggang dito.
So, hanggang dito na lang, guys.
Ngayong araw.
Ngayong araw na to, nakapagpasyal na kami at Nagdasal na kami, nakaakyat na kami sa tuktok dun sa may cross, ay sa may ano ni Papa Jesus. So, bye! Bye sa Lokban Adventure! Bye-bye guys! Bye-bye!